So summer is getting closer and we need to work a little bit on our boat. So today I have Jonas here with me and he's doing a lot for the boat right now. He's doing so much with the boat now. All his time is being spent with the boat just to see that his boat is looking beautiful. So I just want to go close to him and ask him what he's doing just now, because I've seen that he has been scrubbing the paint that is on the boat, and he told me that he's going to repaint the boat again. So I'm just here looking at what he's doing and also helping him if he needs my help. But now I'm just gonna go further and ask him what he's doing now. So baby, what are you doing?
I'm filling this crack between the iron keel and the hull.
So he's trying to fix the keel and the hull. I am very bad with boats, so that is what we are doing now, just so you guys can see what he's doing. Next week we are going to paint the boat and I have promised to help him do that. So I'm gonna be updating you guys as well on next week Saturday, yeah, so we have a lot to do before we put the boat in the water. So I just want to show you guys. Sounds like I can help you with this.
It's not hard.
So I wanted to help him, but he said that it's not hard, he can fix it. So I'm just here looking at him to do his work. But when are you gonna put the boat in the water? Around 2 weeks. Wow. So he got this boat last year after going for a sailing education. He told me that I want to get a boat, and I said no, I don't like boats, we should buy a house car. But he didn't like house car either, so he told me that he want to buy a boat. I said okay, if you want to go and buy a boat you can do that. And actually I gave him all my support, and yeah, he was very happy. And yeah, but he needs to do a little bit work with the boat because it wasn't a new boat, so he has a lot of work to do with the boat. But actually the inside is okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys how the boat looks like. The current state of the boat is looking this way, and we're gonna be painting that next week as I said. But so far this is how the boat is looking like. We need to do a lot with this boat in 2 weeks. So this is how the boat looks like. It's a sailboat, and he really loves sailboats a lot. And today I am actually out to help him because the weather is amazing, not that bad. Otherwise I wouldn't have been here, because I really hate when the weather is very cold. So guys, this is how the boat looks like. So he really needs to do a lot of work with this boat. This is the front view of the boat. So we are also going to wash all the boats when he's done with the painting and everything, so that the boat will look as nice as possible. But now this is how it looks like. How is it going? Don't you need my help?
I think this one hardly work best, so mix small amount at a time.
You can be very good with it. So
I'm not best for it.
it's okay. I have to help him, guys, so he can fix this because the paint or whatever he's using dries very quick. So I just want to help him, even though I wasn't planned for that today, but I feel like I want to help him so everything will go as faster as possible. And yeah,